science programmer here at the Palmerston Library. But in my free time, did you know I'm an Inspiration Lab technician? Here at Inspiration Lab, we build things and we take things apart and we add in just a little bit of magic. Today in Inspiration Lab, we are going to create a popsicle stick catapult. Ever heard of Newton's law of motion? It explains how things work and why they stop. Some of the core concepts of this video are air resistance, friction, gravity, and mass. Today you will need about 9 popsicle sticks, at least 5 elastic bands, a plastic spoon, a small ball, marshmallow, or anything that fits in the spoon. We are using pom-poms. Make a stack of 7 popsicle sticks. Wrap an elastic around each end to secure the pile. Next, make a stack of 2 popsicle sticks and then wrap an elastic around one of the ends. Open your 2-stack popsicle stick and place the 7 stack inside it. Attach your spoon to the top popsicle stick by feeding it through the elastic at the bottom. Use your last elastic to secure the top part of the spoon onto the popsicle stick below. This is where Newton's laws of motion come into play. When you're not touching the catapult, nothing happens. But by pushing down, we stretch the elastics and they spring back when we let go. This creates a forward movement. Now let's place our pom-pom on the spoon. Hold down the popsicle stick stack before you fling. And let's make it fly. In outer space, this ball would fly in the air forever, but on Earth, it hits the ground and stops and rolls. Do you know why? First up is gravity, which is the force that keeps us on the ground and pushes everything back down. Second up, there's friction, which is also known as when the ball rubs against the molecules in the air and against the floor. That slows and eventually stops the ball from moving. How about this crumpled piece of paper? Or maybe a building block. Try experimenting at home with different items to see how they fling. Make different types of catapults and see who can launch things the furthest. Ready, set, aim, fire! If you enjoyed this activity, check out our other experiments and head to our website at wellington.ca/library for more resources.